If you're looking to make money online, then this video is for you, because today, I'm going to show you 5 proven strategies that will allow you to make money online in 2025. And the best part is, you can start earning today. Disclaimer: every information shared in this video is for information and educational purposes only. It's only meant to bring to your knowledge and not a guarantee that you will make any money. Kindly research further. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like, share, and drop your comments on this video. This is one way to help grow our channel and keep contents such as these coming your way. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or an experienced internet user. If you want to make some extra cash, then these methods are perfect for you. So let's get started. Number 1. Freelancing. The first way to make money online is by freelancing. This involves offering your services to clients in exchange for payment. There are many different skills you can freelance, such as writing, editing, graphic design, web development, and much more. You can find clients on various freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Guru, and Freelancer.com. Many people have successfully built a full-time income with freelancing, and it's a great way to earn passive income. All you need is a computer and an internet connection to get started. And the best part is, you can set your own hours and work from anywhere in the world. So if you're looking for a flexible side hustle, or even a full-time income stream, freelancing might be the perfect option for you. Number 2. Blogging. Another way to make money online is through blogging. A blog is a website that contains articles or posts on a particular topic, and you can monetize your blog in several ways. One way is to join an affiliate program and promote products or services in your posts. When people click on your affiliate links and make a purchase, you'll receive a commission. Another way to monetize your blog is by displaying ads. You can sign up for an ad network and place ads on your blog. Every time someone views or clicks on an ad, you'll earn a few cents or dollars. You can also sell products or services on your blog. For example, you could sell digital products like ebooks or courses. Or you could offer your services to customers. Starting a blog is relatively easy, and there are many platforms available to help you get started. So if you're interested in making money online, blogging is definitely worth considering. Number 3. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is another great way to make money online. This involves promoting brands or businesses on various social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. You can work as a social media manager and provide services to businesses such as creating and managing their social media accounts, editing content, engaging with followers, and running advertising campaigns. Businesses are always looking for experts to help them grow their social media presence, and you can capitalize on this demand. If you're good at social media and have a knack for marketing, this could be a great way to make money online. You can find clients by reaching out to local businesses or by using freelancing websites. So if you're interested in social media marketing, now is the time to get started. Number 4. E-commerce. E-commerce or electronic commerce is a booming industry, and it's a great way to make money online. This involves buying and selling products over the internet, and you can start an e-commerce business in several ways. One way is to start a dropshipping store where you don't actually keep any inventory. Instead, you list products for sale on your website, and when an order comes in, you place an order with your supplier who ships the product directly to your customer. Another way to start an e-commerce business is by selling digital products, like ebooks, online courses, or software. This is a great option if you want to create your own products and set your own prices. You can also sell physical products on e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Amazon, and eBay. These platforms already have a large customer base, so you won't have to build a website or do your own marketing. Just list your products and start selling. Starting an e-commerce business can be a great way to make money online. With the right products and marketing strategy, you can turn your passion into profit. Number 5. Online surveys and microtasks. The last way to make money online is by taking online surveys and doing microtasks. This involves providing your opinions on various topics through surveys or completing small tasks like data entry or image tagging. While this method won't make you rich, it's a great way to earn some extra cash in your free time. Many companies are willing to pay people like you to provide feedback on products or services, and it's a great opportunity to share your opinions and get paid. You can find online surveys and microtasks on various websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, Prolific, and Survey Junkie. The amount of money you can earn varies depending on the platform and the tasks you complete. But overall, it's a great way to make some extra cash on the side. And the best part is, you can do it from anywhere in the world. Making money online is easier than ever, and these 5 methods are just the tip of the iceberg. Whether you want to freelance, blog, do social media marketing, e-commerce, or take online surveys and microtasks, there are plenty of opportunities out there for you to start earning today. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, and it takes hard work and dedication to make money online. But with the right mindset and a willingness to learn, you can achieve your financial goals. So don't wait any longer. Start taking action today and make 2025 your most profitable year yet. I know that making money online can be challenging and sometimes overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. There are plenty of resources available to help you get started and on your journey to success. Do be afraid to ask questions and seek out advice from those who have experience in the field? Also, remember to stay motivated and persistent. Making money online takes time and effort, but it's definitely possible. Don't give up if you don't see results immediately. Keep trying and refining your strategies, and you'll eventually find success. Making money online is a great way to achieve financial freedom, and it can open up a whole new world of opportunities for you. It allows you to be your own boss, set your own hours, and work from anywhere in the world. Plus, the potential to earn a substantial income is endless. If you're ready to start your journey towards financial success, then now is the time to act. Take advantage of the numerous opportunities out there to make money online. Explore different options, experiment with various strategies, and find what works best for you. With a little hard work, dedication, and persistence, you'll be on your way to making money online in no time. So what are you waiting for? Start today and see where your journey takes you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.